The hiccups are most... Oh, fuck. Fuck. I fucking hate you both. Fucking hate you both.
Breathe, little guy.
No, the hiccups are the most fucking painful thing ever. Shit.
I can't breathe.
Fuck you. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Does it scare you?
Just somewhat. Fuck you.
You stand on your head.
Oh, shit. It's over.
What's it feel like?
I hurt.
It's not over,
Can
I
I
guarantee
see the
you.
camera?
It fucking hurts.
Are you sure?
You okay?
No. It really fucking hurts.
I'm gonna cry.
I fucking hate you both. You're fucking on again. Fuck you. God damn it.